Pregnancy is a remarkable journey. Inside the mother's womb, a fetus grows and develops in a fluid-filled sac called the amniotic sac. This sac contains amniotic fluid, a clear, slightly yellowish liquid that surrounds the developing baby. Amniotic fluid is vital for the baby's growth and well-being. It is made mostly of water. It also contains nutrients from the mother's blood. Amniotic fluid starts to form very early in pregnancy. It first appears about 2 weeks after conception. This is even before the fetus starts to develop. The fluid initially comes from the mother's body. As the pregnancy progresses, the baby's kidneys start contributing to the fluid production. They do this by producing urine that mixes with the amniotic fluid. One of the most important functions of amniotic fluid is to act as a shock absorber. It cushions the fetus from any bumps or jolts that the mother may experience. Imagine a baby floating gently in a swimming pool. That's similar to how the fetus is protected within the amniotic sac. This cushioning is especially important during the second and third trimesters. This is when the baby is growing rapidly and is more susceptible to injury. The fluid also helps to distribute pressure evenly around the fetus. This prevents any one area from being under too much stress. Amniotic fluid also acts like a carefully controlled incubator, keeping the fetus at a constant and comfortable temperature. The fluid does this by absorbing heat from the mother's body. It then distributes it evenly around the fetus. This is crucial for the baby's developing organs. These organs are very sensitive to temperature changes. Maintaining a stable temperature is essential for the baby's cells to grow and divide properly. This stable environment allows the baby to focus its energy on developing important organs and systems. It doesn't have to worry about adjusting to temperature fluctuations. As the baby grows, it needs space to move. Amniotic fluid provides this space. The buoyancy of the fluid allows the fetus to move freely without being restricted by gravity. This freedom of movement is crucial for the baby's muscle and bone development. It also helps the digestive system develop properly by encouraging the swallowing and expulsion of amniotic fluid. The movements a baby makes in the womb might seem random, but they are actually important for its development. Each kick, punch, and roll helps the baby's muscles grow stronger. These movements also help the baby's joints develop properly. This ensures they are ready for life outside the womb. Section 5. Ensuring smooth development. Amniotic fluid plays a crucial role in preventing adhesions. Adhesions are bands of tissue that can form between the fetus and the amniotic sac, or between different parts of the fetus itself. The fluid keeps the tissues and organs separate as they grow. This ensures they develop correctly and without restrictions. Imagine trying to fold a delicate piece of fabric that's slightly damp. The moisture would make the fabric stick together, creating unwanted creases. Amniotic fluid acts in a similar way, but in reverse. It keeps the developing tissues and organs from sticking to each other. This allows them to unfold and grow freely. Section 6. First breaths in the womb. Believe it or not, babies breathe in the womb. They practice breathing motions by inhaling and exhaling amniotic fluid. This practice is essential for lung development. It helps the air sacs in the lungs to develop and mature. These air sacs are crucial for breathing air after birth. Amniotic fluid also helps to keep the delicate tissues of the lungs from sticking together. This ensures they can inflate and deflate properly during these practice breaths. In essence, the amniotic fluid acts as a training ground for the baby's lungs. This prepares them for the critical task of breathing air after birth. Section 7. A vital lifeline. Amniotic fluid isn't just a protective cushion and temperature regulator. It's also a vital part of the baby's developing digestive and urinary systems. The fetus swallows amniotic fluid throughout pregnancy. This fluid contains nutrients that are absorbed into the baby's bloodstream. At the same time, the baby releases waste products into the amniotic fluid through urination. These waste products are then filtered out through the mother's bloodstream and excreted from her body. Section 8. A silent guardian of pregnancy. Amniotic fluid is often overlooked, but it's a silent guardian of pregnancy. It plays a crucial role in almost every aspect of fetal development. From cushioning and protecting the baby to helping its lungs mature and allowing its muscles to grow, amniotic fluid is essential for a healthy pregnancy. Understanding the role of amniotic fluid helps us appreciate the complexity and beauty of pregnancy. It highlights the incredible way in which a mother's body provides everything her baby needs to grow and thrive.